To turn off screen timeout on a Samsung S25, as you can see, as default, you actually cannot do this in the settings because we get only 10 minutes. So I just find a way how we can do this. We have to use application from Google Play Store, Caffeine. This is the name and icon of an application that you have to download with this icon and with this name. When you find it by going to the search, you can just simply open it. And first of all, we have to configure to ignore battery optimization. So go at the bottom. And we have to go actually into ignore battery optimization, and here we have to search for Caffeine application, which will be located here, and select unrestricted. Then go back again, and right now we have to select timeout, infinite, and right now your screen will never goes black. It's never gonna turn off until you actually do this manually. So that's how you can actually do this step by step. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.